So we got a little veggie garden going. Just planted it. The dirt in this area is pretty good. We've mended it with compost before. And we added some perlite, a little bit of perlite. Probably not necessary, but just like to fluff the soil a little bit. We also added some coarse grade vermiculite to the soil to help retain nutrients and moisture. These veggies have been in ground almost 5 days now, and they're starting to catch. These are all from seed this year. Baker Creek Seeds is where I got my supply. Good source. I think I spent less than $20 this year on vegetable seeds. So. And we're just starting to prep another area of the yard to plant more veggies. You see the dirt's pretty good in this area. It's just covered with grass right now. But it's at the bottom of a slight slope, so a lot of soil amendment or compost is building up right here, I think. And we're just gonna go ahead and amend the soil a little bit. This is the coarse grade vermiculite that we've been using. Been doing some research on adding vermiculite into the soil. Seems like it's a very good way to retain nutrients and moisture in the soil when properly added at the right ratio. And this is a fertilizer I like to use, just chicken shit pretty much, and other organic inputs. Here I've just done a light dusting of the fertilizer and the vermiculite. You can see it's very light with the vermiculite. Could probably have gone heavier. But now we're just doing a little bit of churning and burning, mixing into the top few inches of soil, removing any roots, grass roots, any grass debris. Here are the veggies that are going to be planted. And we're just laying a plank down in the center so that we have a nice walking area. So it's been a day, and believe it or not, we got rain the next day after planting, which is just a blessing from the Lord. I want to show you a little bit of what we've planted right here in this area. I think the stuff on the left is komatsuna. It's a new vegetable-free seed from Baker Creek, trying out this year. I think these ones are the purple cosmic carrots. Cosmic purple carrots, that's what these are right here. And these are gonna be Georgia collards, I'm pretty sure. Everything's looking pretty green and healthy. It was pretty much rooted out, ready to go in ground.